Money. It captivates us, consumes our thoughts, and yes, sometimes keeps us up at night. But here's a thought-provoking question. What if your path to financial abundance isn't paved with bigger paychecks, but rather with how you perceive and relate to money itself? Ready to have your financial thinking completely rewired? Today, we're unpacking 9 game-changing lessons from Morgan Housel's The Psychology of Money that might just transform how you view wealth forever. Buckle up. Lesson 1. No one's crazy. Consider this profound truth. No one is crazy with their money. Every financial choice you make, whether others understand it or not, is perfectly rational through the lens of your unique life experiences. This changes everything about how we should view financial behavior. Your financial upbringing shapes your investment psychology more than you realize. Those who witnessed economic struggle fear market volatility, while bull market children embrace risk with dangerous confidence. Understanding this bias is the first step toward making truly rational investment decisions. The lesson? Stop judging people's money decisions and start understanding their money history. Lesson 2. Luck and risk. Lesson 2. Never forget that luck and risk are inseparable siblings. While we celebrate skill and hard work, we must acknowledge the undeniable truth. Even the most brilliant success stories hinge on timing, circumstances, and the unpredictable hand of luck. Recognize this reality to better navigate your own path. Bill Gates, undeniably brilliant, had access to something extraordinarily rare, a high school computer. But consider this critical question. Without that pivotal advantage, would Microsoft exist today? Almost certainly not. This isn't just an interesting thought experiment. It's a compelling reason to reconsider how we judge both success and failure. The achievements we admire and the shortcomings we criticize frequently hinge on factors entirely outside anyone's control. Remember this the next time you evaluate yourself or others. The key? Don't judge outcomes without context, and always stay humble. Lesson 3. Never enough. When that promotion catapults you from 80K to 100K, your certain financial comfort has arrived. Yet inevitably, your perspective shifts. A friend's Tesla appears in your driveway. Another's exotic Bali photos fill your feed. Your substantial 100K suddenly feels insufficient. This pattern doesn't end, even at 150K or 200K. Why? Because satisfaction isn't found in chasing ever higher numbers, but in recognizing when you truly have enough. The lesson? Define your enough now, before the finish line keeps moving forever. Lesson 4. The power of compounding. We're all drawn to the allure of quick cash, aren't we? But here's the reality check. True wealth accumulates like a quiet snowfall, gradually collecting until that surprising moment when the entire landscape has transformed before your eyes. What if I told you that a 150, less than many people spend on coffee each month, could transform into $400,000? Start at 22, invest this modest sum monthly in an index fund, and by 60 you'll witness the extraordinary power of compound interest. This isn't just saving, it's unleashing a financial force of nature. Your initial investments generate returns, those returns create their own returns, and the cycle accelerates like a snowball gaining momentum downhill. Isn't it time you put this financial phenomenon to work for your future? The lesson? Start early, stay consistent, and let time do the heavy lifting. Lesson 5. Wealth is what you don't see. Lesson 5. Don't be fooled by the mirage of material possessions. The cars, clothes, and houses that catch your eye are simply evidence of spending, not wealth. True financial power operates invisibly through savings that protect you, investments that multiply silently, and the priceless freedom to choose your own path. What you build beneath the surface defines your actual wealth. Don't be fooled by appearances. That neighbor flashing the newest iPhone, luxury SUV, and designer shoes. Behind that facade lies 6K in crushing credit card debt and a non-existent retirement fund. True wealth isn't what you display, it's what you build. Consider your unassuming neighbor in the 2014 Honda who wears the same jacket every winter. While they appear ordinary, they're methodically maxing their 401k, maintaining zero debt, and accumulating 6 figures in index funds. This isn't just financial responsibility, it's genuine prosperity. The question isn't who looks wealthy, but who will actually be wealthy when it matters. Wealth is what you don't see. Stop comparing lifestyles. Start building freedom. Lesson 6. Save money, even if you don't have a goal. While most of us diligently save for life's milestones, the dream home, the perfect wedding, that exotic getaway, there's a revolutionary approach worth considering. Saving money without attaching it to any specific purpose at all. Could this unconventional strategy transform your financial future? When life disrupts your plans, a sudden layoff, an unexpected car breakdown, or a dream opportunity with lower pay, the difference between panic and confidence is simple. Did you save for flexibility? Those who build financial reserves aren't just preparing for rainy days, they're buying their future freedom. With savings, you don't just face challenges, you face them with options. The lesson? Save not just for things, but for peace of mind. Lesson 7. Reasonable, rational. We're human beings, not walking calculators. Our emotions matter, which is why making reasonable financial decisions that feel right can actually serve us better than coldly rational ones that ignore how we feel. While the numbers might clearly favor investing over paying off low-interest student loans, never underestimate the power of financial peace of mind. If eliminating that debt brings you clarity and control, that benefit is immeasurable. This principle extends beyond just loans. Whether you're weighing homeownership against renting or digital budgeting versus cash envelopes, the most effective financial strategy isn't always the mathematically optimal one. It's the one you'll consistently follow, the one aligned with your personal values. Choose sustainability over theoretical perfection every time. Your plan doesn't have to be perfect, just something you'll actually follow. Lesson 8. You'll change lesson to 8. Accept this liberating truth. Your goals will inevitably transform. Rather than striving for an unattainable perfect financial plan, embrace flexibility as your foundation. An adaptable money life empowers you to thrive through life's inevitable changes, while rigid perfection only sets you up for failure. Your 25-year-old self might crave global adventures with no strings attached. Fast forward a decade, and suddenly picket fences and bedtime stories become the dream. Here's the catch. If you've emptied your accounts living like tomorrow, his desires will mirror today, as you might find yourself trapped when your heart changes course. Plan for the life you have now, but leave space for the person you haven't met yet. Future you. Wealth isn't about big wins. It's about small habits done consistently over time. Lesson 9. Consistency beats brilliance. Last lesson. Never underestimate the power of consistency. While others chase the mirage of perfect market timing or breakthrough crypto investments, your steady presence, being reliably good rather than sporadically brilliant, will ultimately secure your success. Keep showing up when others don't, and you've already won. While one investor methodically commits $200 monthly for 3 decades, another perpetually waits on the sidelines for the perfect opportunity to double their money, opportunities that never materialize. The result? The consistent, seemingly mundane approach builds substantial wealth, while the timing-obsessed investor is left behind. Consistency trumps timing every time. Wealth isn't about big wins, it's about small habits done consistently over time. Money is far more than mathematics. It's a complex interplay of emotions, habits, personal stories, and mindsets that shape your financial reality. If you recognized yourself in these lessons, you're not alone. Hit that like button now. Which insight struck a chord with you? Share it in the comments. Your perspective matters. Subscribe today for weekly content that goes beyond surface-level advice to transform your relationship with money. Here's the ultimate truth. Master your mindset first, and financial success will inevitably follow. Join me next week to continue this journey together. Thanks for watching. Until next time.